How would you like to have your very own cloud hosting account that allows you to host unlimited sites with faster loading time than you've ever experienced? Imagine if in minutes from now, you could enjoy complete website protection with free end-to-end SSL encryption, unlimited bandwidth at no extra or monthly cost, unlimited personalized email account creation, and 100% uptime. All this and more for a one-time low fee. Welcome to LifeHost. And as the name itself suggests, you pay only once and enjoy lifetime hosting of unlimited sites, domains, files, videos, and images. Say goodbye to limited subscription platforms, slow loading speeds that are killing your conversions, paying every month through the nose, and the frequent downtimes affecting your sales and profits. LifeHost is the ultimate cloud hosting solution that'll help you skyrocket profits at the lowest one-time cost. In just 3 steps, you'll start saving and making huge amounts of profit. Step 1. Enter the domain name of your choice within LifeHost. Add as many domains and websites as you like. Step 2. Integrate WordPress or any app with a simple click and get started with your very own personalized control panel. The built-in end-to-end SSL encryption keeps your data safe on LifeHost's next-gen reliable cloud servers. Step 3. Access sites from anywhere in the world with no downtime at all. Enjoy limitless bandwidth, inbuilt malware protection, and 100% uptime. LifeHost is perfect for you if you own a business, service, or are a marketer. You want to survive in this new age digital world. You would like to make your websites live. You're looking to retain your profits and avoid paying a hefty monthly fee. You don't want your customers to be pissed off because of slow-loading websites. You want to be safe and not pay huge ransoms to hackers in return for your websites. You'd like to earn more by saving more. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on this page hits 0. So hurry. Plus, your sites, files, and images are encrypted and stored, ensuring no one can ever read or access your files or sites, even we ourselves. Take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to what's fast becoming the most preferred website hosting platform for business owners and marketers around the world. Welcome to LifeHost.